If you're looking for a high-efficiency yet affordable gas furnace, the Trane S9V2 could be the furnace for you. In this video, we'll discuss the features and benefits of the Trane S9V2 and see who would get the most benefit from this system. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. We're often told by our customers that they appreciate the Trane S9V2 furnace because it offers efficient heat with boosted comfort. Plus, it fits many budgets as well. In this video, we'll cover what are the features of the Trane S9V2, what is the efficiency rating for the S9V2, who's the right fit for this furnace, how much does the S9V2 cost, and what are the next steps in the process. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane S9V2 is right for you. The Trane S9V2 comes with a two-stage gas valve. A two-stage gas valve allows your furnace to operate in two capacities, at 100% and at a lower capacity between 60 and 70%. This allows you to have more control over the temperature in your home at a lower initial cost than with a modulating furnace. Next is the S9V2 variable speed blower motor. A variable speed motor allows to evenly distribute conditioned air throughout your home year-round. Better air circulation means less dust, allergens, and other particles floating in the air, more even temperatures, and efficient operation, saving you energy. The S9V2 uses a smaller insulated cabinet made from heavy steel. The smaller cabinet is designed to fit in virtually any home, be airtight, and provide quiet operation. High-efficiency furnaces like the S9V2 come with a secondary heat exchanger. During the heating process, a standard efficiency furnace will lose as much as 20% of its fuel as waste. In high-efficiency furnaces, any wasted fuel is consumed a second time in the secondary heat exchanger. Speaking of efficiency, the Trane S9V2 has an AFUE rating of 96%. This means that up to 96% of the energy used by the furnace goes directly towards heating your home. Or you can think of it in terms of money. For every dollar spent on fuel, up to 96 cents can go towards heating your home, and the remaining 4 cents are exhausted as waste. This means that the S9V2 makes the most of the fuel it consumes. Who is the Trane S9V2 furnace a good fit for? If you have high utility bills, experience temperature spikes, or are uncomfortable during the winter, the S9V2 could be a great investment for you and your home. Whether you're in a multi-story, split level, or a ranch-style home, the Trane S9V2 is able to eliminate hot and cold spots and provide even temperature throughout your home year-round. At only 34 inches tall, if you're tight on space or have a shorter basement or crawl space, the S9V2 would be a good solution due to its smaller cabinet size. Although the smaller cabinet size can cause increased static pressure and reduce airflow, there are installation methods that can be modified to maximize the airflow. Since the Trane S9V2 is a high-efficiency furnace, 2 PVC pipes will need to be run from your furnace to the outside, typically through a side wall. If you live in a home with a finished basement or in a home where access to the outside is difficult, a high-efficiency furnace may not be right for you. The Trane S9V2 furnace can cost between $4,800 and $6,200. This cost includes equipment, labor, and permit fees. For comparison, a typical new furnace installation can range between $3,000 and $7,600. Many factors can affect the price of a furnace, such as the size of the home, filters and other indoor air quality products, and any modifications that are needed to be made during the installation. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, and these factors are taken into consideration when determining the cost. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Trane S9V2 or other heating solutions, click on the link below in the description. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.